Capricorn is the sign of initiations. Initiation means consciously and continuously expansion of your awareness. It's very important. See, if you think about that sentence, you will see that we are not aware always what's going on within our body, emotions, and mind, in our relationships, in greater world, and in the relationship between us and the higher worlds. We are not aware about it. But initiation is steady and continuous and gradual increase of awareness between you and the greater world. Isn't that beautiful? So you become aware. Like, for example, babies, they are born and they are not aware what's going on. And we are like babies in relation to the higher spheres, greater levels of consciousness. We are just like babies. We start opening our eyes just like little doggies that cannot see 8-9 days, you see. And sometimes humanity cannot see 80 and 90 years. And their eyes open little. So Capricorn is an invitation and challenge to expand our awareness, our consciousness, gradually. And if we expand our consciousness and awareness, we surpass ourselves. And the surpassing process is elimination of pain and suffering and tribulations. That's very, very important point. See, people believe for everything that cures their bodies and their emotions, their minds, but there is only one cure. What is that cure which is permanent? Is expansion of your consciousness. Because as you expand your consciousness, you conquer your body, emotions, and mind. And eventually you enter into a state that you are the master of your form. And eventually that form transforms in such a degree that that form never accepts any weakness, any defeat anymore.